going on, guys? Welcome to another Crypto Sensei live stream. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know you're not. See, I know you're not having a good ass fucking day, bro. It is what it is, man. Shoot, bro. Let me let my hair loose, because I don't even know what the fuck is going on with the markets, bro. The markets are doing whatever the hell the markets want to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, they don't give a single fuck about us, man. The markets. I got like 125,000 different DMs today, and I said, you know what, fucker, let me just do a little quick special edition Crypto Sensei stream for Sunday, bro. You all know that shit's gotta be hitting the fan for me to be streaming on freaking Sunday, bro. And it's doing what it has to do, man. I told y'all, bro. This fucker was gonna come back down and test levels. It's testing levels. It went to our exact entry price at $1.90. $1.90. What was our entry price? What were my words to you? $1.90 XRP. Why are you crying? Why am I getting 145,000 DMs that the market is crashing? Everybody texting me. I'm like, bro. Yes, it's fucking dipping. That's what we wanted. We wanted this fucker to come back down to $1.90. That was our entry price, $1.90, $1.75, $1.60, $1.28. Why is it that when I say those prices, everybody fucking fights me, and then it happens, and y'all don't know what to do? It is what it is. What do? We double down on the way down. We buy the dip. I know. I say it every single day. We buy the dip. Well, we don't buy the dip when there is no dip. Now there's a fucking dip. Our dip was $1.90. Okay? The next dip is what? $1.75. Then the next one is $1.60 and $1.28 and 96 cents. All of that. Okay? That's what we gotta do. That's why we double down on the way down. We don't follow the FOMO. We don't follow the news. Man, fuck everything. We double down on the way down. Okay? That's what we gotta do. That's what we gotta do. Are y'all buying this dip though? See, I had to come in and I just wanted to say hi. I just wanted to make sure that everybody's okay and dandy, and that you're all having a good ass fucking day. It's the end of the week and it's Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday. Tomorrow's gonna be, ooh, man. If people are crying today, the markets are not even open. Wait till tomorrow, bro. Oh, man. Tomorrow's gonna be an absolute fucking shit show in the markets, bro. You don't even know. Are you ready? The real question is, are you fucking ready? You know? Are you fucking ready? I just wanted to give you your emotional support, Sensei, just in case you need some emotional support, okay? Because I know we all cry. I know we're all suffering. But I'm hella excited, bro. For me, I'm hella excited. Because this is exactly what I wanted XRP to do. See, I don't buy XRP at $3. We buy it at $2. We buy it at $1, okay? That's how you do it, okay? Diamond hands. If you bought it, you bought it. Fuck it. If you bought it, you're in it, okay? You're in it, right? Don't be selling at no red zones, okay? Don't be, come on, man. Don't be one of the statistics, you know what I'm saying? You're not one of the statistics. You're a Crypto Dojo member, bro. You're not a statistic, okay? Don't be selling at a loss, all right? If you bought it at $3, man, you fucked up, okay? We don't buy at the $3. We buy at the $1.90, $1.75, $1.60, okay? That's where we're headed. That's what we're going to do. We're going to double down on the way down, double up on our bags, so when it does recover, and it will recover, this is all cycles. There's ups, there's downs, there's sideways. You know exactly what to do. And when the shit actually pumps to all-time fucking highs and rips an all new asshole to anybody who did not buy any crypto, then you know what to do. You buy some more on the low, and you take your profits when it goes up. Remember when I told y'all? Remember? Bro, this is why I love TikTok. This is why I love YouTube. I can record everything that I do and everything that I say. It's in my live streams, okay? So guys, if you're ever on the TikTok channel, big shout out to y'all. Make sure to follow me on my YouTube channel. Remember that all of my streams are being recorded over to my YouTube channel, okay? Even this one, the special edition Crypto Sensei Sunday markets, okay? Sunday markets, okay? I just wanted to be here, give you a big ass hug, let you know that it's gonna be just fine. All right? I know that I'm losing my shit, okay? I'm losing my shit, of course. I'm only human. I'm only human after all. You know? It's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be okay. Okay? There's good markets, there's bad markets. Then there's another good market, and there's another bad market. And rinse and repeat. Okay? Rinse and repeat. But y'all know that this war is not like it wasn't told you so, okay? It's not a I didn't tell you so, right? We knew this fucker was gonna come back down, okay? And now we double down on the way down. See, now is the time that you just gotta be thinking, holy shit, it's dipping. Holy shit, now I have to buy. Go, 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 go. Not when it was pumping to $3 when the whole news of Trump and this, Trump that, like blah, 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 blah. So much bullshit. Now that it's fucking dipping, now you should be absolutely losing your fucking minds. Okay? Lock it in. Okay? Lock it in. Let's freaking go, man. I mean, yeah, of course, I'm not going to be able to buy my Lambo. It's okay. Hey, shit happens, right? Can't buy my Lambo. Maybe for the next bull cycle. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how my trades goes. It is what it is. I can't afford the Lambo now. It's 25% tariffs. Who the fuck is going to buy a Lambo now? You know? Damn it, man. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is, right? Let me just chill out with you guys for a little hour of power. Let's just figure it out. The markets are going to go up. They're going to go down. They're going to go sideways. I don't even know. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe to whatever platform you're looking on me on. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I am on YouTube and I am on TikTok, so make sure to follow me everywhere. Let's freaking go. If you can do me a solid, go ahead and smash that share button a million times over so you can share the link, share the information with everybody you know on your social media. Trying to grow this community as much as we can, and I cannot do that without you guys' help, guys. So if you can smash that share button, I would highly appreciate it a billion times over. Let's figure out what the markets are going to do. They're going to go up, they're going to go down, they're going to go sideways. I don't know. Looking hella nasty, though. Looking hella nasty, bro, okay? Now the crypto markets are being affected. See, it was like a delay. And if you think the shit is over, oh, bro, this hasn't even fucking started, bro. This hasn't even fucking started, bro. Is there blood on the streets? Like, is there a zombie apocalypse outside that I don't know of? Like, what? Nah, there's no blood on the streets. No, we're not done yet, bro. We're not done. We haven't even started, bro. Double down on the way down. Let's go. Let me give you your shout outs. Who we got over on? Let me look on the TikTok channel. Who we got on the TikTok? Let me say hi to my peeps over on the TikTok channel. Who do we got on the TikTok? Let me scroll up a little bit here. We got 24, my brother 24, over on the TikTok channel saying, what up, puppy? Buy the dip. See, now I don't get mad about buying the dip. See, because I got ready, right? Now I can buy the dip, okay? Because this is definitely a fucking dip, okay? Now we get excited into the whole buying the dip scenarios, okay? Not when it was at 3, not when it was at 275, 295, no. Now I get hella excited because now it's on the buy zone of my target prices at $1.90, $1.75, $1.60, $1.25, and 96 cents. You all know this. We've been talking about it for a long ass fucking time. Okay? You know this. You know this. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me, man. You know this. Let's double down on the way down. Let's go. Who else we got in the house today? We got Yucatan, my brother from another mother, Yucatan, man. How you doing, Yucatan? It's all good, brother. You know how it is. Just chilling, man. I'm just chilling. I'm just letting the markets take an absolute shit on everybody, bro. An absolute shit on everybody, bro. We're just along for the ride, aren't we? We're just along for the ride, Yucatan, man. Just along for the ride. More power to the downside, guys. Let's go. Oh, it's time, man. It is time buy that tip. Let's go. Who else we got in the house today? We got Over Z on the TX. Chuck shout out, big shout out to you, Over Z. Thank you so much for the heart. Love you too, Over Z. Thank you so much for the 20 popular votes, the 20 team bracelets, and the 20 cheer you ups on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Over Z. Oh, Uber guys, thank you so much for the 2 goats. 24, thank you so much for that lightning bolt on the TikTok. Big shout out to you all. Smash that like button, guys. Let's go. Can we get it all the way up to 10,000 likes? Absolutely, we can get it all the way up to 10,000 likes. Let's make it happen, Cam. Let's figure it out together. Let's go. Who else we got in the house today? Let me see who we got. Let me see. Let me scroll up a little bit on the TikTok. That's a bunch of comments. Let me see. We got Bam. Big shout out to Bam over on the TikTok channel saying, hey, how are you, my bro? Bro, Bam, everything is super duper good, brother. Just enjoying this price action to the downside. I ain't worried. I ain't going nowhere. Because you know what? Now I'm going to double the fuck down, okay? Now we're going to double the fuck down, okay? That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. Let's go. Chris Formisano, big shout out to you, Chris. How you doing, Chris? It's all good, Uber Eats guy on the TXR channel saying I've been making money doing shorts on Ethereum today. See? That's the beauty of it, bro. We make money whether it goes up or it goes down. We long the markets when things are looking good. We short the markets when things are looking hella fucking shit-ass balls fucking fuck like they are right now. You're a goddamn genius, Uber guy. Keep doing what you're doing, brother. Make that money, man. Let's freaking go. Trillion Wagme. Big shout out to Trillion over on the TXR channel saying make money and buy the dip. That's our motto, bro. That's literally the channel motto, bro. Buy the dip. Let's go. 24 on the TXR channel saying bought more XLM. Of course you did, bro. Because you're a goddamn genius, bro. 24. That's exactly what you needed to do. Let's go. Double down, says Grand Admin. Yes. Big shout out to you, Grand Admin. Hell yeah, let's go. Perro. We got Perrito in the house. Big shout out to you, Perro. It's all good, good. What's up with you, Perro? Perro saying, where did Perro go? Hi, brother. Big shout out to you, Perro. You know how it is. Just chilling, man. What are you doing, Perro? Talk to me. What's going on? It's Sunday, man. We're about to start the week at an absolute low level of existence. Let's see how everything goes, girl. Let's see how everything goes. Jimmy210, big shout out to you. Jimmy on the TX are saying Algorand. Oh, you want to look at some Algorand is also, bro, everything is taking this shit, bro. Shit, Algorand. Let me just for a second. Let me look at Algorand. I just want to see where is it at. Oof. Oh, that's nasty, man. That's nasty. Oh, man. Oh, that sucks. That sucks balls, bro. This shit's not gonna work. I don't even know. I don't know. Christopher Marna saying I got the chips for the dips. That's all we can do, bro. Just eat the chips, bro. Eat the chips and buy the dips. God damn. Let me see what we got over on the YouTube channel. Let me say hi to my peeps over on the YouTube channel. Let me scroll up a little bit. Who we got on the YouTube channel? We got Silver Days. Big shout out to the man, the myth, the legend, Silver Days over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, Silver Days? It's all good, good. What's up with you, Silver Days? Are you having a good ass day, bro? Come on, man. Don't lie to me. I know you're having a good ass day because you're just buying on the way down. That right? Right, Silver? You're just buying on the way down. I know. Don't lie to me, man. Come on, bro. Come on. Double down on the way down. Let's go. Let's tap that like button, man. Let's go. Who else we got in the house today? We got Ed Paramo. Big shout out to you, Eddie. Big shout out to you, Eddie Paramo. How you doing, brother? So good, oh good. Saying GM. Big shout out to GM saying the Fist of Fury. Well, you did say you were going to get double fisted, bro. You got double the Fist Fury, bro. You got both fists. It's just like you know, the Fist of Fury is like this. You go like this, and then, that's how you guys, GM. Like we all got double fist. God damn! It's a fun time to be alive, bro. It's a fun time to be alive. Don't lie to me, man. It's a fun time to be alive. Okay, let's go. Let's freaking go. Juan Martinez, the lone man. Big shout out to you, Juan Martinez, over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, Juan Martinez? It's all good. Good saying, oh boy, what's up? At least made some money on the crash down, shorting the market. That is awesome, bro. That is fantastically awesome, bro. Hell yeah, bro. You make money either way. Make money when the prices go up. Make money when the prices go down. And then we double down on the way down with the money that we make with trading, right? Like, is that, like, right? Right? Right. You know it is. Don't lie to me, man. Don't lie to me. You're making money. You're making money. I know you are. GM on the YouTube channel saying, I want to buy the dip, but I'm drained out. I know exactly the feeling, my brother GM. I know exactly the feeling. See? That's why we don't buy the dip on little mini dips. We buy the dips when shit really, really hits the fan. That's when we buy the dips. That's why you got your entries and your exits. And you gotta follow the trading plan, man. You have to follow the trading plan. You got your entries and you got your exits. No excuses. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Okay? Oh, let's go. Let's get this money, man. Just free money. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Who else we got in the house today? We got John. Big shout out to John over on the YouTube channel saying, such a bro. Sensei on Sunday made my day better. That's why I'm doing it, my brother John. Let's freaking go. How you doing, John? It's all good, good, John. Are you having a good-ass day, John? I know you're having a good-ass day, bro. Don't lie to me. I know you're having a fantastic day because you're doubling down on the way down, and you don't give a fuck about the rest, though. You don't give a single fuck. Let's go, John. Let's go. Ren33, the beautiful Ren over on the YouTube channel saying, Sensei, stop this dip already. Man, Ren, I wish it was me. I haven't sold the goddamn thing, Ren. I haven't sold the goddamn thing. Not a single coin. It's not me. I swear. I swear it's not me. Not that I even had a remotely close enough volume for me to even move these prices to any direction whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? I don't have that much. But, you know, like, it's not me. I swear to God. I promise. It's not me. I don't know who the fuck it is. I don't know who the fuck is dipping these markets. But I want them done. Let's go. Who else we got in the house today? Ooh, we got Crypto Rachel, the beautiful Rachel over on the TikTok. How you doing, Rachel? It's all good, good. Thank you so much for the 26 roses on the TikTok channel. Big shout out to you, Rachel. 24 saying V-Chain and H-Bar. Oh. Bro, V-Chain and H-Bar has got to look juicy AF, bro. Juicy AF. Let me look at V-Chain. Just for shits and giggles. I just want to see what V-Chain is doing. Let me see. Give me a second. Let me cook, okay? Just, bro, special edition Sunday Crypto Sensei. Be happy about that, okay? Special edition, all right? All right? Let's go. So for V-Chain, V-Chain looking nasty, bro. V-Chain be looking nasty, bro. What are you guys even doing, man? Let me see. Let me look at some V-Chain. Ooh. V-Chain is on the danger zone. V-Chain is looking nasty, bro. It is on the low. Let me draw a line on the low just to make sure that it doesn't go any low than that. If this fucker does not hold this line right now, bro, holy shit balls, bro, this shit can go all the way down to 0.0138. Oh shit. Oh shit. God damn. Whew. That's some nasty ass shit right there, brother. That's some nasty ass shit right there, bro. That's my entry price right now. Right now, it's 0.0138. My exit price, 0.0617. Okay. And that's what we're gonna do with V-Chain. Let me look at H-Bar. What is H-Bar doing? I don't even. Should I, like, do I even want to look at H-Bar? H-Bar broke to the downside on the Fibonacci levels. And it's bouncing off the exact low moment, the exact entry price right there at 12 fucking cents. That is your entry price as of right now on H bar. 12 cent H bar. That's your entry price right there. Do not sleep on H bar. Remember, guys, I know that the markets are looking absolutely fantastically horrible. I know, I get it. There's blood on the streets, red everywhere. Red everywhere. I get it. I understand. I understand the psychological triggers, okay? We've been here so many fucking times. And this isn't even the bear cycle. Wait till these prices break low time lows. Now that's when the shit really hits the fan, okay? When we're in a knee deep on a bear cycle. You guys are going to love it. You guys are going to fantastically love it, bro. So I'm saying, what am I saying? That right now is creating one of the best opportunities there is out there, bro. That's why I'm excited. That's why I'm happy. That's why it doesn't freaking matter. I just doubled down on the way down. Double down on the way down. Charlie, big shout out to Charlie over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for that follow on the TikTok. G333, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for that share on the TikTok channel. Big shout out to you, G333. Enzo, thank you so much for that follow. Big shout out to you, Enzo Yoda. Thank you so much for that follow on the TikTok, Yoda man. Jukatan saying, Sensei, some chain link, please. Oh, the sneaky link, Jukatan? Of course we can look at some juke. Bro, come on. You better be stacking up on some freaking sneaky link, man. You never say no to the sneaky link. And look at that. The sneaky link is headed to our exact target price at $10 fucking dollars, bro. $10 was our entry price. As of right now, Sneaky Link is on the buy zone on the Fibonacci level. So stack up on some fucking Sneaky Link right now. Okay? And your exit price is $47, bro. Now, I know that most of y'all are like, but Sensei, I don't know. Where is that energy? Where is the energy when prices were at $3 and y'all were like losing your minds because you wanted to buy? Where is that? Where is it? Flip the switch in your brain. Now is that energy. Now is when I want to hear you all say, "Get damn, Sensei, it's dumping. Now I want to get in. Let's buy. Yes. See, now is where I want to see that energy. Okay. Right? Double down on the way down. Let's go. We stack up on some more, man. We just want more bags, bro. I just want more bags. I just want more. I'm just greedy. I'm just greedy like that. I just want more XRP and whatever other coin you want to buy. You know what I'm saying? I just want some more. Who else we got in the house today? We got Skim over on the YouTube channel saying, Sensei, futures on stocks look real bad. Bro, everything is looking really bad, bro. The entire thing is looking really bad, bro. I don't even know what else to tell you, bro. I really don't. Like, I don't know. Everything is looking like shit right now, bro. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Silver Day saying emotional support Sensei. Yes, that's why I'm here, bro. Guys, I know you need a hug. It's okay. If you need a hug, I'm here for y'all, okay? Give you your love. I'm trying to show you the love tonight because we need it. We need it, okay? We're gonna need to chill the fuck out, okay? We just need to let the markets do whatever the hell the markets got to do, all right? Creating one of the best opportunities there is to double down on the way down. Let's freaking go. Gala says Apple user. Gala, you want to look at some Gala games? I'm pretty sure Gala is taking an absolute shit on everyone, bro. Let me see. Let me look at some Gala games. I'm like scared of it. Oh, look at that. All right. It's on the danger zone. Now Gala's on the buy. See, what did I say? Anything below 1 cent and a half, 1 cent and a half, that is your buy. As of right now, it is finding that support on the previous low. So if you were going to stack up on a high risk, high reward type of trade, this would be it, okay? This would be it at 1 cent, okay? Right now, Gala's on the buy. Right now, Gala's on the buy, all right? Exit price on Gala is 18 and 28 cents. High risk, high reward, bro. Like, you don't give a fuck about your money. You don't want to send it to me. That's okay. It's all right. Get you some Gala, bro. Get you some Gala. Let's go. Who else we got in the house today? We got with Vidura. Big shout out to my brother Vidura. Big shout out to you, Vidura. It's all good, all good. What's up with you, bro? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, man, Vidura. I'm just chilling, man. I'm just letting the markets do their thing. I'm going to double down on the way down and forget about the rest, bro. That's what I'm going to do. What are you going to do, bro? What are you going to do? That's the real question, bro. Big shout out to you, Vidura. Modern day Drifter, my sister. How you doing, Drifter? Is all good, all good. Big shout out to you, Drifter. Thank you, saying you rock, Sensei. Thank you for showing up for this bloodbath. What kind of Sensei would I be if I wasn't here with y'all, man? we suffer together, bro. You know, I'm not just here for the pumps, you know? I'm here for the dumps, okay? So we can double down on the way down so that you can see with your own eyes that we don't buy on the green, we buy on the red. Now is when we fucking buy, okay? So, yes, I definitely double down as of right now at $1.90 on XRP. And if this fucker keeps even going even lower, which I think it's going to keep going lower, if it goes all the way down to $1.75, what do you think I'm going to do? I'm going to quadruple down at $1.75. And if it keeps going even lower than that, guess what I'm going to do at 860? I'm going to, whatever 8 is on, when you say quadruple, duple, triple, quadruple, whatever 8 tuple is, I'm going to 8 tuple down on the way down, all right? And then 16x at $1.27, and then every single cent I have in my everything at less than $1. Okay. If it decides to go there, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna go there. I have no idea whatsoever. Okay, I have no fucking clue whatsoever. But if it does, oh, y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Let's go. Let's go. Jermac, thank you so much for that follow on the GX. Big shout out to you, Jermac. V78 savings XCN, por favor. You want to look at some Onyx coin, bro? Onyx coin is on the buy. Onyx coin, as of right now, is on exactly our target price. Oh, almost. I thought it was. Almost! My target price is 7.007. Okay, right there. So as of right now, it is on the buy zone. Let's go. That's what we're going to do. That is what we're going to do. Moving on to some tail coin. My brother wants to talk about some tail coin. Yeah, we talk about some fucking tail coin, bro. Of course we're going to talk about some tail coin, man. You better be stacking up on the tail coin, bro. I told you all our entry price is 0.004. 0.004. That's our entry price on tail coin, bro. It is on the buy as of right now. Exit price 0.02. Let's go. Ren33 over on the YouTube channel saying it's crypto granny selling. That's why the dip. Oh, I believe that. If there's anybody in this world that can have the volume to dip or pump the price, it's Granny. It's Granny. Granny's a beast. Granny's a beast. She can absolutely do that. Although I don't think it's Granny, because Granny don't take no goddamn profits, bro. GM saying Master Sensei, some CRO. Ooh, you want to look at some CRO, bro? Oh, you in the don't give a fuck about your money zone. I hear you. I hear you call my name. Let's go. So for CRO, we got in at 7 cents on CRO. We got in all the way down here, brother. So that is still our entry price, okay? Our entry price is still 7 cents, okay? It hasn't changed. We haven't done the breakout just yet, okay? We haven't done the breakout. Once we get that breakout, then I'll give you new target prices. But as of right now, still set at 7 cents, okay? Exit price 17 and 21 on CRO. Right. Let's go. Drifter saying, Sensei, can you please look at Rosecoin and HNG? Of course we can look at some Rosecoin. Hell yeah, let's go. Let me see if we got some Rosecoin. What was the ticker for Rosecoin? I don't remember the Oasis Network. Yes. Let's look at some Oasis Network. Ooh. Nasty on Oasis Network. God damn. All right, so for Oasis Network, this fucker can go all the way down to 0.01645. So your enterprise as of right now for Oasis Network is 0.01645. And your exit price on Oasis Network is 0.13 cents. Okay. A fantastic opportunity to stack up on some Rose coin. Moving on to Helium, HNT. What is Helium doing? Let me look at some Helium action. I think I'm afraid to look at Helium. Like, do it. All right, so Helium broke to the downside on the Fibonacci level, so you got to do the Fibonacci in reverse and figure out your new entry prices for the Helium action. Entry price as of right now for Helium is $1.47. Okay. Exit price the same, 1966. Let's freaking go. Viewer discretion. Thank you so much for that follow on the TX shop. Big shout out to you, viewer. Ash the Brat on the TX Shark channel saying XLM. Oh, you want to look at some baby boo XLM action, bro? Of course we're gonna look at some HN. Come on, man. You know exactly what to do with XLM, man. Don't lie to me, man. You know that our entry price is 19 cents, bro. 19 is our entry price. That is exactly where we're gonna go. It's looking good. 19 and our exit price is 94 cents. Okay? 94 cents. Entry price at 19. Exit price is 94. All right? That's what we're going to do. XLM action. Let's go. Craig Garcia, the man, the myth, the legend over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, Craig Garcia? Saying, Sensei, what's good, brother? Hope all is well and God bless. Yo, everyone has to chill and trust the billionaires. Has his own crypto companies. Buy the dip. Sight back. Wait, I can't read that. Sight back, smoke up, and enjoy the show. Yes. Oh my God, Craig. Jesus Christ. You gotta do what you gotta do, Craig. You gotta do what you gotta do. Now is the time to double down on the way down, brother. Now is the time to double down on the way down, okay? Don't sleep on it, bro. Don't sleep on it. I want that energy now. I don't want this energy when it's at $3, $4, $5, okay? I want this energy now. Now is when everybody loses their fucking minds. Like, yeah, I gotta buy. I have to go in. Yes. Okay? Yes. Not at 4 and 5, okay? No. We double down on the way down. Let's go. Across the ocean. Thank you so much for that follow. Big shout out to you across the ocean saying, Algo, please. We already talked about some Algorand action, brother, but you know what? Here you go. I'll give you Algo one more time. Of course you can talk about some Algorand. Kablam! There it is. Some Algo action. What is Algo doing? So for Algorand, let me see. Let me throw some Algorand action on the screen. And let me do the reverse Fibonacci. This fucker decided to break even lower levels on the Algorand. So for entry price on Algorand, as of right now, it's 0.0897. That is our entry price as of right now for Algorand. And our exit price on Algorand is 39.40 cents. And there you go. That is your Algorand action. '24 over on the TXR channel saying Jim Cramer said Monday will be Black Monday 1987. And I 100% believe that, bro. Tomorrow is going to be nuts. Oh my God, it's going to be fun, fantastically awesome to see how just absolutely wrecked everybody is going to be. Oh man, it's historical, man. It's historical, bro. You got to see it, bro. You got to love it, man. If you're in the markets, you have to love it, bro. You got to love the process, man. I hate every minute of it, bro. I hate every minute of it, man. I don't. Why can't we be at $5 though, right? Like what? We get away, we get out in March, we come back in September, right? That was what we said, right? That's what we said. We get out in March, we come back in September, run away in May, come back in September. Just saying. I'm just saying. Drifter saying brutal. Can you Please look at XYO and XLM. Oh yes, we can talk about some XYO. Hell, Drifter sister, if you're not stacking up on XYO, I ain't got nothing for you, okay? I ain't got nothing for you. As of right now, it is literally breaking below the support line. We got to do the Fibonacci in reverse and figure out our new entry prices for XYO. As of right now, it is on the danger zone. Entry price point 003132 is our next leg down on XYO. And our exit price on XYO as of right now is 3 cents. That would be a beautiful, fun, fantastic 10x on your money if it actually plays out. Let's go. Moving on to some Ondo action. What is Ondo doing? Ondo is doing whatever the hell Ondo want to do. So for Ondo, let me look at Ondo. Let me see what we got some on Ondo. Ondo, Fondo, Momondo, Fondo, bro. Ondo. Head and shoulders formation. Nasty. Nasty. As of right now, Ondo's on the buy. Entry price is 69 cents. Next leg down is 57 cents. If this fucker decides to pump from here or bounce from here, we're looking at a beautiful head and shoulder formations. That is hella bearish, okay? Hella bearish on some Ondo action, man. Take your profits whenever you got to take your profits, okay? If you're trading Ondo, bro, Ondo ain't looking that good, bro. Ondo ain't looking that good. Let's go. Craig Garcia over on the YouTube channel saying, I went to school in New York. Sometimes my spelling is off. I understood it. I understood you perfectly, bro. I understood you perfectly, bro. Let's go. M. Brook over on the YouTube channel saying, Sensei, bull run still on or is it over? What do you think, bro? We bought it at 17 cents. It's at $2 right now. It's a bull run for me. The real question is, did you buy it at $3.40? Because it's a bear cycle for you. Okay? Like, I can't. V78 saying, my phone rang and cut off. What was said for XYO? Anyone know the enter and exit price? Help him out, guys. Help him out. Help him out. So as of right now, that is my target price for Ondo action. Entry price 69 and 57. Exit price on the Ondo action is $1.57. And there you go. Okay. Johnny Track, thank you so much for that. Let him cook over on the Tech Shock channel. Big shout out to you. Thank you so much for the support, brother. Big shout out to you. Angela M on the YouTube channel saying, Tao, please. Oh, you want to look at some Tao action? Tao? You want to look at some Tao? You better be lucky, man. If you ain't stacking on them Tao action, bro, I ain't got nothing for you, man. Get that bit tensor action. Let's go. So as of right now, bit tensor entry price was $234 and $192, and it broke even lower. So as of right now, this fucker's on the danger zone. As if you want to get in on some Tao axial, entry price is $165 on the top. Filecoin says Enzo over on the TX channel. Yes, we can look at some Filecoin, man. Let's look at some sexy ass Filecoin. What is Filecoin doing? Ooh, Filecoin broke to the downside on the Fibonacci levels, and it is looking for that low. It's looking for that low. It's finding the support here as of right now. Ooh, man. It is nasty on the Filecoin, guys. I mean, if you were going to get in a high risk, high reward type of trade, now would be a fantastic time to do that. But if this fucker does not hold those $2.37, man, forget about Filecoin, bro. Forget about Filecoin, bro. So entry price $2.37. Next leg down $1.56. And the next leg down below that one is $1.10 on the Filecoin. Rafael Rosa, thank you so much for that follow. Big shout out to you, Rafael, on the TikTok. All Things Fresh saying, yo, when we going to $3 XRP? Well, we already did that, bro. We already went to $3. What are you talking about, bro? We went to $3 in January. You mean when are we going to go in at it again? Man, never, man. Fuck that shit, bro. Fuck that shit, bro. $3 XRP. Fuck. Modern Day Drifter over on the YouTube channel saying, Sensei, I'm buying maybe some LCX. What do you think? Some LCX action? Let's look at some LCX. Let's see what we got on some LCX action. What are we talking about, some LCX? So for LCX, our entry price is 0.08. We're talking about an 8-cent LCX. That's my entry price right now, 8 cents. Exit price is 84 and $1.43 as of right now on the LCX. The principal over on the YouTube channel saying, we up in here, fam. Yes, we are, my brother, for a fun, fantastic special edition of the Crypto Sensei. Trading on a Sunday, bro. On a Sunday, man. I never trade on a Sunday. I never stream on a Sunday. I just had to come in, bro, and I need a, maybe I'm the one who needs the emotional support. That maybe you ever thought of that? Have you ever thought of that? Maybe the Sensei needs a hug, you know? Tell me what the entries and exits are. You know, like, I'm only human, man. I'm only human. It is what it is, man. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Just double down on the way down. Let's go. Scarlet Billionaire over on the TX Chuck channel saying, AVAX. You want to look at some AVAX action? Bro, of course we can look at some AVAX, man. I got you. Let's look at some AVAX. What is AVAX doing? Where's my Fernando coin? Where's Fernando, by the way? Fernando's always here with the AVAX action. Where's my boy Fernando, bro? I'm getting worried. Guys, go look for Fernando on the YouTube. So as of right now, AVAX broke to the downside on the Fibonacci level, so it is definitely on the buy. Let's draw our reverse Fibonacci and figure out our new entry prices for AVAX. As of right now, new entry price is $1 is $11.30. The next leg down is $8.36 on the Avalanche. And there you go. There you go. Exit price on AVAX, 149 and 244. Love grows. Thank you so much for that follow on the TX Shop. Christos. Thank you so much for that follow on the TX Shop. Big shout out to you, Christos. Morgan Brittle over on the TX Shop channel saying, what are you thinking for your best buy at the moment? As of right now, my best buy as of right now, like what is my coin as of right now? Bro, I can't really like it's like saying what's my favorite color and I'm a fucking painter. So it's like it's difficult to really say like what is my one true baby girl coin, but I do buy a shit ton of XRP. And I do buy a shit ton of Jasmine too. Let me look at Jasmine, by the way. I haven't seen Jasmine. Where's my beautiful baby girl Jasmine? Let me see. Give me a sec. Guys, let me look at my baby boo. Okay? Let me look at my baby girl. She's my sugar baby. Give me a second. I just wanna say hi to my baby girl, all right? Let me look at Jasmine. Okay, don't shoot the messenger. Let me look at Jasmine. Where is Jasmine as of right now, bro? Jasmine is literally on my target price. This is why we don't buy the pumps. This is why we buy the dips. We buy in on the red. As of right now, it is on my target price at 0.009. Man, you have any idea how many people said it's never going to go down to less than a cent? Where is the energy when people wanted to buy right here? No, Sensei, I'm going to buy now Jasmine. I'm going to buy Jasmine now. I was like, okay, hey, do you, boo-boo. Do what you got to do, okay? I'm going to buy Jasmine at 0.009288, and it is there right now. So guess what I'm doing? Guess what I'm doing? We're doubling down on the way down on some Jasmine action, guys. Bro, if you don't see this, and this doesn't turn you the fuck on, it doesn't tickle your pickle, you need to do something. You need to do something. All right? Do what you gotta do. Do what what you gotta do. Count say Crypto, big shout out to the man, the myth, the legend. Count, how you doing, brother? It's all good. Good Count on the TikTok channel saying, "Sup, bro? What's up, Count? You having a good ass day, bro? Are you buying on the way down, my brother? I know you are. Don't lie to me, Count. I know you're doubling down on the way down, brother. Don't lie to me, Count. Don't lie to me. Okay, let's go. Dizzle, Fizzle, Dizzle. Big shout out to you, Dizzle, over on the TXR channel saying, is gun in the buy zone? There's a gun called, there's a coin called gun? I didn't even know that there was a coin called gun. This one? That's way too early for me to say, my brother. GUN USDT? Is it this one? It just came out? Let me see. Can I get it somewhere else? Let me see Binance. Yeah, it's completely new, my brother. This coin has zero data for me to tell you what the buy-in, the entries, and the exits are, brother. This is high risk, high reward. These are new coins. You got $100. You don't want to send it over to me on a donation? That's okay. I ain't gonna be offended. It's all right. Okay? But that's a high risk, high reward type of trade, okay? So you go for it. Forget it. Fuck it. Let's go. Shit. No mercy, bro. No fear. Fear does not exist in this dojo, okay? You got $100 and you want to throw it into some fucking gun-ass coin? Throw it into some fucking gun-ass coin, bro. You do what you got to do, boo-boo. Completely up to you. Let's go. Crypto Farmer, thank you so much for the 50 roses over on the TikTok. Counter Crypto, thank you so much for the 32 lightning bolts. Big shout out to you, Counter Crypto. Who's winning today over on the TikTok channel? Let me see who we got. Oh, we got Count in first place over on the listing right now for the donors for the TikTok. Check it out. Make sure to look at it. Let's go. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, man. Let's keep it going. Viewer discretion saying Solnick. Oh, you want to look at some Solnick? Of course we can look at some Solnick. Let me look at some Solnick action. What is Solnick doing? Let me see. Let me see some Solnick. Let me go. Let me see what's going on with Solnick. So as of right now, let's look up some Solnick action. So Solnick decided to come back down and retest levels. Then let's go. Keep it going. Keep it going. So as of right now, for Solnick, our entry price on Solnick is 0.002. And our exit price on Solnick is 0.02. So 10x. On the Solnick. There you go. Kablam! There you go. Silver Days on the YouTube channel saying fear does not exist in the dojo. Like and subscribe. That is absolutely fun, fantastically awesome, bro. Yes, it does not. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt have no place in the crypto dojo. You better get the fuck out of my dojo if you got fear inside you, bro. Hell no. You double down on the way down and you don't give a fuck about anything else, bro. Unless it's your 401k. I don't want to. Nobody ever dare put a fucking 401k on crypto because I'm going to beat your ass. Don't be stupid. Sami, big shout out to Sami over on the TXR channel saying, what's your take on AB? Oh, AB? A8? What's A8, brother? What is that, bro? Morgan Brittle, thank you so much for that follow. Big shout out to you, Morgan Brittle. Count saying the count has doubled on projects. Because you're a goddamn genius, Count. That is exactly what you have to do, bro. We double down, we quadruple down, we quadruple down, we 16-duple down. We do what we gotta do, bro. We do what we gotta do. Juan Martinez on the YouTube channel saying Fernando OD'd with AVAX. Yeah, I believe that. Because he's not here. He must be passed the fuck out with all the AVAX that he bought, bro. Because if there's a fucker out there that buys AVAX, it's freaking Fernando, man. Every day that fucker's buying AVAX, man. Craig Garcia saying, what's crazy is that everyone's energy is gone because we're all broke now. Buying dip after dip. I'm done. I'm playing the bench, watching the game, broke with enough for one more blood. Yes, my brother Craig. I know, man. That's like a, what's it called? Like a rite of passage for everybody in crypto, bro. If you can't buy the dip anymore because you already previously bought a dip, are you even in crypto? Like, Like, are you even playing the game? You know? Nah. Grant and Emin over on the TX channel saying Fidelity gonna let us bet the IRA on crypto. Don't do it. Don't do it, Grant Emin. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Ancient 8. Let's see. My brother Sami wants to talk about some Ancient 8. Never heard of this coin, my brother. But let's look at it. Let's look at it. Let's see where we're going. Let's see what we're dealing with here. So it broke to the downside on the Fibonacci levels. So you got to do the Fibonacci in reverse, and you figure out that your new entry price for Ancient 8 as of right now, it is on the buy. Entry price is 0.08, and the next leg down is 0.06 on Ancient 8, and your exit price as of right now is 29 cents on Ancient 8. Okay, and there you go. Ash the Brat wants to talk about some ZBCN or some Zebekin. Yes, we can talk about some Zebekin, bro. I know. Zebekin looking. 914 was our enterprise on Zebekin, and that fucker decided to keep even going lower. So as of right now, we got to do the reverse Fibonacci and figure out our new entry prices for Zebek as of right now. Entry price on the left way down on Zebek is 0.0. 1236600, and the next leg down is 0.1235407. So more power to the downside on some Zebek in action. Let's go. Morgan Brittle over on the TXR channel saying, do you think prices will keep dropping on XRP? I do, my brother. Absolutely yes. I do believe so, that we are headed for some more downward action on some XRP, and that is beautiful to see. We doubled down at $1.90. That was our entry price on XRP. The next leg down is 175, 160, and 127. I'm not saying that we're going to go to those levels. I have no idea whatsoever if we're ever going to see those levels again. But if we do, you can rest assured, best believe that I already have so many limit buy orders on XRP that you don't even fucking know, bro. Like, so fucking mad and crazy, bro. $1.90. We got it at $1.90 today. I doubled down at $1.90. Then I have a 4X at $1.75, an 8X at $1.60, and a 16X at $1.27. And then I have a 100X at 96 cents, bro. You don't understand, man. You don't even get how much fucking XRP I'm going to buy, man. I'm going to buy all of it. I want it all. I want it all. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Let me make the screen bigger. Yeah, let me make the screen bigger for you guys. There you go. There you go. On the YouTube channel. Now you can see it a whole lot better. Let's go. So for Bitcoin, my entry price, my first entry price on Bitcoin was 80,000. Cost some Bitcoin at 80,000. Next leg down is 71 and 66,000 on Bitcoin. Remember that I told you if it doesn't break $89,000, it was going to come back down to that 80 and break even lower. That is exactly what is happening as of right now. We broke lower than $80,000, so I'm definitely going to double down, quadruple down at $71,000 and $66,000 because it did not break above $89,000. So as of right now, still same scenario. 89,000 is our breakout price. So we have to close above 89. If it doesn't close above 89, it's just going to test and test and test lower and lower and lower. So my entry prices as of right now, 71 and 66. Exit price on Bitcoin, $146,000 for the next bull cycle. Let's see if it actually plays there. Let's see if it actually makes it. Let's freaking go. Hell yeah. User 37 over on the TikTok channel saying, should I buy into Ethereum now? Well, you think it'll plummet more? Let's look at some beautiful baby girl Ethereum action. So as of right now, Ethereum, my entry price for Ethereum is right now. I told you all on the previous live stream, 1,520 is my entry price for Ethereum. Where is Ethereum right now? And where did it wick? 1,520. Okay. So as of right now, Ethereum is definitely on the buy. We got in at 1,500 and we're getting out at 3,200 on Ethereum. For XRP, I'll say it one more time. Here you go. Entry price is $1.90. We caught it at $1.90 today. Actually, we caught it at $1.89, by the way. $1.75, $1.60, and $1.27 are the ways down. Doubling, quadrupling, octupling, sextupling, 32pling, 64pling, all the way down. Okay? We're going to gobble this motherfucker up like there's no tomorrow, man. Let's go. Exit price on XRP is $4.86. Moving on to some XLM. So for XLM, our entry price is 19 cents. Anything below 19 cents is a steal on XLM. So if we can catch it at 19 or anything lower, that would be fantastically awesome. And I would love it and pray to the crypto gods that it goes lower than 19 cents. Entry price 19. Exit price $1.20 on XLM. For CRO, Crow the Bros, where are all my Crow bros? So for Crow Bros, entry price on the Crow is 7 cents. Exit price is 17.21. For Litecoin, went all the way down to my target prices, one at 88, 72, and 64. Those are my entry prices for Litecoin. Do not sleep on Litecoin. This looks like it's going to keep going even lower than 72, going to 64. Beautiful to see. We double down all the way down. We diamond hand this motherfucker all the way up till it reverses whenever it decides to reverse, and your exit price is $2.47 on Litecoin. Moving on to some Solana. So for Solana, broke all the way to the downside. As of right now, it broke the danger zone. Solana is a get the fuck out type of coin if this fucker actually decides to keep breaking even lower. So as of right now, we do have a bottom signal as of right now, which would be fantastically awesome if I would have it over here. But I don't. That means that there is a lot of liquidity entering right now on Solana right there, which makes sense. Price broke the lowest of all the lows, okay? So this fucker can keep going even lower, all right? So we got to zoom out and figure out what our new entry prices are on Solana. So let's zoom out and let's figure out my new entry price for Solana as of right now. New entry price on Solana is 60. The next leg down is 45. And our new exit price on Solana is 552 for the next bull cycle. Okay, that's a kick-ass song. Ooh, that's a kick-ass song. What song is that? That's a kick-ass song. Holy shit. I like that song. That's me, by the way. That's me in 40 years still holding my XRP bags. Just so you know. Just so you know. Keith Cargus, big shout out to you, Keith, on the TXR channel saying, I got a bunch in at $1.85 and loving it. That's awesome, bro. Big shout out to you, brother. You do what you got to do, brother. You do what you got to do. So that, guys, is my new plan for Solana. If we talk about Solana, we have to talk about Cardano. So for Cardano, our entry price is 53 cents. Hope you're going to take advantage of that because it looks like it's heading over to our 53-cent entry price. Breakout price is 97 and our exit price is $1.92. Moving on to Doge. What is Doge doing? Doge entry price, like I said a long ass fucking time ago, entry price is 14 cents and our exit price on Doge is 67 cents. Okay. Theta says Brio over on the TXR channel. Yes, we can talk about some Theta. Some Theta. What is Theta doing? So for Theta, our entry price on Theta is 55 cents. 55 cents. Exit price is $2.43 on the Theta. Enzo on the TXR channel saying, when is the next cycle? You mean the next bull cycle? If we follow the whole 4-year timeline, 2029. Remember that it's always halving, new president, bull cycle. Okay? Always. It's always been like that, and I'm just going to trade with it until it isn't. So 2029, my brother. The trigger is 2028, and then 2029, you take your profits. And that's what we did this one. That's what we did with this cycle. Trigger was the new president, and then power to the upside. Take your profits, secure them, and wait for the next bear cycle, which should be this year to next year. May next year. James Bond. Big shout out to James Bond over on the TXR channel. Thank you so much for that follow. Big shout out to you, James Bond. Counter Crypto. Thank you so much for the 2 caps on the TXR channel. Big shout out to you, Counter Crypto. Ash the Brat. Thank you so much for the 13 roses. Big shout out to you. Jeff on the TXR channel saying, so December is the bull run for this cycle? No, December was the bull run for the last cycle. Last December was the bull cycle. Fucking broke all-time highs. Chris Dolan saying Q4 is the bull run. Yes, my brother Chris, absolutely. Big shout out to you. Q4 is the mega bull run. Let's go. Keith Cargus on the TXR channel saying, I don't believe XRP will run a bear market because utility will come in to play that will override it. Nobody in this world, my brother, will be more happy that those words would be true, brother, than me, okay? So much XRP, man. So much XRP. I'm broke, okay? I'm XRP broke. You don't get it. You don't understand, Keith. I don't want to go into a bear cycle for nothing and nobody, bro. But you already got my interest and my exit, brother. You already got my interest and my exits. You know exactly what to do. I don't want to hear the excuses, okay? If this fucker decides to go down, which we know that he can, $1.90, $1.75, $1.60, $1.27, and 96 cents. Those are my entries, right? And my exit is $4.86. That's the play. No matter what, that's the play. Jeff, thank you so much for that follow on the TXR. Big shout out to you, Jeff. Keith saying I'm pushing 14,000 coins and happy. Shit, I wish I had 14,000 coins. 14,000 XRP though, bro. That's like a $14 million. That's like $14 million, bro. Shit. That's a kick-ass song, bro. You gotta love it, bro. Even in the down times. You just gotta keep moving, bro. You just gotta keep moving, man. Just keep moving. Let's go. Lock it in. Lock it in. Quantum 7 over on the TXR channel saying, can you say the enter number again? For what, brother? For XRP? You gotta hear on the screen right here. These are my entry prices. For XRP, these are my entry prices. Keith on the TXR channel saying, I got in late like a typical new fool in December and now I'm dollar averaging on my way down. Dude, that's perfect. That's exactly what you got to do. You dollar cost average on the way down. That's one of the safest strategies there is for trading. Anything, actually. Or anything. Just dollar cost average and forget about the rest, brother. Just hodl through. Wait for the next bull cycle. Let's see if it actually goes up. Keith on the TXR channel saying, I love the fact that you may possibly give exit prices. I would like to see what you backed up with. Like, what do I back the exit prices for? The Fibonacci levels, brother. The 618 on the Fibonacci, bros. The Sensei Nachi tool, brother. The Sensei Nachi tool don't lie, bro. It don't lie. People lie, not math. That's what I back it with, brother. Math, that's all I got. Across the ocean saying, link, the sneaky link. We already talked about the link, my brother. I got you. But you know what? I got you one more time. Don't worry. I got you, bro. Don't worry, bro. I got you. Bam! Entry price on the sneaky link is $10. And our exit price is $47 and $61. Ricky's saying, I'll never exit XRP, but obviously we'll sell. I mean, you do what you got to do, boo. If you got to sell your tokens, you sell your fucking tokens, my brother. Everybody has a different story, my brother. Not like for example, we got people who have been here since 2017. Me, I bought XRP at 17 cents. And guess what? I'm still holding on to some fucking XRP, bro. And I'm going to keep holding on to my XRP till I'm like 100 years old. But that's because I have a long-term play on XRP. Not a lot of people have a long-term view on their crypto. They might be looking for some quick cash, you know. I don't know what people are doing with their money, you know what I'm saying? Maybe they want to learn how to leverage trade it. Just leverage the shit out of their money and lose everything. I don't know. You know? Everybody's going to do whatever the hell they want to do. Everybody's going to do whatever they want to do. For me, it's a long-term hold. We're talking about 5, 10, 15 years down the line. And see how it goes with zero expectation that I'm actually going to make any money in crypto. You know? Just got to hodl through, brother. Just hodl through. Quantum 7 saying, I invested, but I'm willing to wait and hold. Yes, you do, bro. You do what you got to do, boo-boo. You do what you got to do. Modern Day Drifter saying, Sensei, I'm trying to manifest some new toys. Can you please look at DOT and ICP? Yes, we can look at some ICP. Let me give you some ICP action. Let me see. DOT. We can look at some DOT, some polka dot. What is Dotty Dot doing? Let me see. Bam. Okay. Okay. I see where you're going. Well, as of right now, it's on the buy. $3.59 is your entry on polka dot, but is a nasty next leg down is $1.69. High risk, high reward. Is a nasty on some polka dot. Let me tell you right now. This is not for the fearful. This is some adult shit, bro. This is some adult trading, okay? Do what you got to do. $3.59, $1.69, and our exit price on DOT is at $8.95 on DOT. It's a nasty. Let me look at some ICP. Let's look at some ICP. What is ICP doing? So for ICP, let's see what we got. Ooh. Broke to the downside on the Fibonacci level, so you got to do the Fibonacci in reverse and figure out what your next entry prices are. For as of right now, our next entry price is $3.60. And the next leg down is $2.78. Double down on the way down. Let's freaking go on some ICP action. And our exit price is $31.47 on ICP. Pactiwala over on the TX Talk channel saying, I want to make money ASAP. We all do, brother. We all do. I hear you, my brother. I hear you. It's okay. It's going to be fine. Let's go. Ashton Brass saying, Suey. Ooh, my biggest gainer, Suey. Yes, do not forget about Suey. Let me look at some Suey action. What is Suey doing? So for Suey, our entry price is $1.66.80, and our exit price is $8.11 for the next bull cycle. Drifter saying that song makes me want to be on the crypto cruise. You do what you got to do, Drifter. You get your ass on that fucking cruise. You don't even know how much fucking fun we're going to have in that cruise. Do what you got to do. B787 saying XDC. Oh, you want to look at some XDC, brother? Did I already talk about XDC? I'm not 100% sure. Let me look at some XDC mainnet. No, I haven't talked about XDC yet, but my entry price for XDC is 4.5 cents, and our exit price is 18.26 cents on XDC.
Let love blow your mind.
And there you go. Those are the markets. All right, guys, that's all the time I got for you today. hope you all had a whole lot of fun. I sure as hell did. I will be back again tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. So make sure to follow, and subscribe to all of my channels. I'm streaming on YouTube and on TikTok, so make sure to follow me everywhere. I'm all over the place. No excuses not to get my price action, guys. No excuses whatsoever. Let's freaking go. Let's figure it out. Prices are going to go up, they're going to go down, they're going to go sideways. I don't even know. Let's find out together. So tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern, I will be back again with whatever the prices are going to do. Okay? Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day, okay? Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day, all right? So let's see how it goes. It might be nasty, okay? It might be nasty. It might be nasty. You do what you got to do, okay, boo-boo? You do what you got to do. Right? We're going to figure it out together. Let's kumbaya. Let's hold hands. Let's forget about the rest, okay? Let's just forget about the rest, and let's figure out what the markets are going to do. All right? Let's go. I'm excited. I'm actually quite excited because if the prices go down, we know exactly what we're going to do. We know exactly what we're going to do. We are definitely quadrupling down on the way down with zero mercy, zero fear. Double down on the way down. All right, guys? So I will see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. God permit, let's freaking go and let's figure it out together. Thank you so much for your likes, your comments, your donations, your memberships, your rememberships. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Let me give you your big ass hug, your emotional support hug that we all need right now. Come here. And I will see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. Take care, God bless, and have a good one.